Hi everyone, Sushi here. If you are looking for a free movie to watch, we have many choices coming up. I'll show you 10 of the best websites where you can watch thousands of movies for free online. You may not find the latest from greatest blockbusters on these sites, but every now and then, you'll find a hidden gem you'll wish you'd seen earlier. Let's get to it. Number 1. Netflix. Best for original shows. Netflix has revolutionized the entertainment industry with its vast library of original content. From groundbreaking series like Stranger Things to award-winning films like The Irishman, Netflix continues to dominate the streaming landscape. With a constant stream of new releases and a user-friendly interface, it's no wonder why Netflix remains a top choice for viewers worldwide. Number 2. Hulu. Best for live and on-demand content. Hulu offers a unique combination of live TV and on-demand streaming, making it a favorite among cord cutters. With access to popular networks like ABC, NBC, and ESPN, Hulu provides a comprehensive entertainment experience. Plus, its extensive library of on-demand content ensures there's always something to watch, whether it's the latest episode of your favorite show or a classic movie. Number 3. Amazon Prime Video. Best for on-demand shows and movies. As part of the Amazon Prime subscription, Prime Video offers a vast selection of on-demand shows and movies. From critically acclaimed series like The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel to blockbuster films like The Tomorrow War, Prime Video has something for everyone. Plus, with the option to rent or buy additional titles, you'll never run out of entertainment options. Number 4. HBO Max. Best for HBO shows and popular movies. HBO Max is a treasure trove of premium content, including HBO's acclaimed series, blockbuster movies, and exclusive originals. From fan favorites like Game of Thrones to new releases like Dune, HBO Max delivers high-quality entertainment straight to your screen. With a vast library of content and regular updates, it's a must-have for any streaming enthusiast. Number 5. Disney Plus. Best for family-friendly content. Disney Plus is the ultimate destination for families, with a wide array of beloved Disney classics, Marvel movies, Pixar and Star Wars adventures. From timeless animated favorites to the latest Marvel blockbusters, Disney Plus has something for every age group. Plus, with the addition of star content, there's even more to explore on this family-friendly platform. Number 6. YouTube TV. Best for replacing cable. YouTube TV offers a cable-like experience without the hassle of traditional cable subscriptions. With access to live TV channels, unlimited DVR storage, and personalized recommendations, YouTube TV is a convenient and cost-effective alternative to cable. Whether you are a sports fan, news junkie, or reality TV aficionado, YouTube TV has you covered. Number 7. Tubi. Best for free movies. Tubi is a hidden gem in the streaming world, offering a vast library of movies and TV shows for free. With thousands of titles available at no cost, Tubi is a budget-friendly option for cinephiles and casual viewers alike. From Hollywood classics to obscure indie films, Tubi has something for everyone, making it a must-have for any streaming lineup. Number 8. Fubo TV. Best for sports. Fubo TV is a sports fan's dream, offering a comprehensive lineup of live sports channels and on-demand content. From football and basketball to soccer and tennis, Fubo TV covers all the major leagues and events. Plus, with features like 4K streaming and multiview, you'll never miss a moment of the action with Fubo TV. Number 9. Crunchyroll. Best for anime. Crunchyroll is the ultimate destination for anime fans, with a vast library of popular series, simulcasts, and exclusive originals. From classic titles like Naruto to new releases like Demon Slayer, Crunchyroll has something for every anime enthusiast. Plus, with ad-free streaming and offline viewing options, Crunchyroll offers a premium anime experience. Number 10. Apple TV Plus. Best for originals and exclusives. Apple TV Plus may be relatively new to the streaming scene, but it's quickly making a name for itself with its lineup of original shows and exclusive content. From award-winning series like Ted Lasso to groundbreaking films like Coda, Apple TV Plus offers a diverse range of high-quality entertainment. Plus, with new releases added regularly, there's always something fresh to discover on Apple TV Plus. As the streaming landscape continues to evolve, these 10 services stand out for their quality content, diverse offerings, and user-friendly interfaces. Whether you are a casual viewer or a die-hard fan, there's a streaming platform that's perfect for you. So grab your popcorn, settle in, and start streaming your favorite shows and movies today. Alright cinephiles, that's all we have for you today on the best streaming services. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome ways to watch movies on a budget. In the comments below, let us know which app you are most excited to try, And if you have any other free movie app recommendations, share them with the community. Thanks for watching and happy movie marathoning.